Heat pump water heaters are an important issue because there are many regions in the states that are implementing electrification reach codes that are going to require the switch from gas to electric water heating. Heat pump water heaters are 3 to 4 times more efficient than standard resistance electric type water heaters. Efficiency gains of heat pump water heaters will help bring down the overall cost to operate and deliver hot water systems on an all-electric water heating. The integration of different heat systems overall is a great idea that's just at the emerging stages. There's a lot of available cooling capacity that is a waste from the heat pump process. That cooling capacity could be used to take heat away from other energy intensive processes like a dish room or like an ice machine. There's a number of things that are driving heat pumps as a new technology. The biggest thing that's driving it is the multiplication factor. Heat pumps, whether it's a gas or electric heat pump, offer between a 2 and 4 time greater energy performance than standard technologies. As we move towards a more energy efficient building type, hot water systems represent as much as 50% of the gas load in a restaurant. This can be greatly reduced through the application of heat pumps. This is still an emerging area, and one of the best places to start is to look at optimizing your hot water system. Putting in the most efficient fixtures possible, looking for options to remove the dish machine from the hot water loop by using a cold water feed heat energy recovery dish machine, and working with your local authorities to implement distributed hot water generation.